How to add family member on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here in audience and visibility section, you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this. And now scroll down here and go to family member section. And now you can add the family member by tap the add family member button here. So this is example only. So now you can search the family member. So okay, this is example only. So after you select or search the family member, you can see here. And you can now set the relationship on this member. So tap this button here below of this name. And for my example, this is a nephew. And also you can set who can see this. So who can see this is set into public. So you can tap this to change. So you can set into public, friend, friends, friend, only me, or on this person. So okay guys, I decide to set into only me. And after you set this family member information, okay, you'll have to tap the save button below to save this information on your family member. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add family member on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.